Ever felt stuck? Like you're hitting a wall when faced with a tough problem? Boy, do I know the feeling only too well. It happens to all of us. But here's the good news. Problem solving is a skill that can be developed. Today, we're going to explore some interesting and unconventional ways that have helped me to boost my problem solving skills. These are the strategies that you may not have tried before. So let's dive into 5 creative ways to sharpen those problem solving muscles. Ready? Let's go. First up, reverse thinking. This might sound strange, but sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to flip it on its head. Instead of asking, how can I fix this? Try asking, what would make this problem worse? By exploring the opposite, you force yourself to think outside the box. When you try to identify what could make things worse, it helps you to uncover blind spots or new ideas you hadn't considered. This approach not only sparks creativity, but it also helps you approach the problem from a completely different angle. Next up, step away for a fresh perspective. It sounds counterintuitive, right? But sometimes the best solution to a problem is to stop thinking about it. When we get too fixated on a problem, our brains can get stuck in a loop, making it harder to find a solution. Taking a break, whether it's going for a walk, doing a simple task, or even taking a nap, can give your mind the space it needs to reset. Often, solutions will come to you when you least expect it. The key is giving your mind time to refresh so it can approach the challenge with renewed energy and creativity. Next, let's talk about the 5 whys. This technique, developed by Toyota, is a simple yet powerful way to dig deeper into the root cause of a problem. You start by asking why about the problem. Then based on your answer, you ask why again and again and again. Each time you peel back another layer of the issue. The goal isn't to stop at the surface level. This is about getting to the root cause. For example, if you're running into constant delays at work, don't just stop at I'm always behind on my task. Ask, why is that happening? And then ask, why again? Each question helps you uncover deeper insights that will lead to a more effective solution. Let's take it up a notch with mental models. These are frameworks used by experts in various fields to solve complex problems. Think of them as shortcuts to clearer thinking. Some well-known mental models include first principles thinking, which is breaking a problem down to its fundamental truths. The Eisenhower matrix, prioritizing tasks based on the urgency and importance. The Pareto principle, focusing on the 20% that will give you 80% of the results. By applying these mental models, you're using proven strategies to cut through the noise and tackle problems efficiently. They help you think systematically, identify patterns, and prioritize solutions that actually matter. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Sometimes solving a problem is just about finding the right people to help you think it through. Brainstorming with others brings fresh perspective, and often one conversation will spark an idea you never would have thought of alone. You can learn a lot by hearing how others approach challenges. Even if you don't have the solution yourself, sometimes all it takes is one person asking the right question or sharing a different viewpoint. Remember, collaboration isn't just about teamwork, it's about leveraging different perspectives to reach a better solution. Conclusion: practice, patience, and creativity are key. Problem solving is a skill that improves with practice. The more you experiment with these techniques, whether it's reverse thinking, taking a break, or using mental models, the more intuitive it will become. And like any skill, it takes time. So be patient with yourself. Remember, the best problem solvers are the ones who stay curious, flexible, and open to new ways of thinking. So next time you face a tough challenge, don't be afraid to try something new.